Bahlankedi ba lekgotla la setjhaba la taolo ya coronavirus ba beile melao se morago ga gore presidente a bolelele setjhaba gore naga e tla ba ka tlase ga molao wa taolo ya kiletso ya mosepelo ya legato la bone.
We are now sitting at 100,000 per day, which we can be ramping up to get to 300,000 per day so that we can then improve the access and speed of vaccine.
Tona ya puso Tirisha Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma o tlalositse ka botlalo ka moo melao e meswa e tlile go goama industry ya boeti.
Hotels are open, and in fact it should be that hotels should be open to 100% capacity, but the restaurants, including the restaurants in hotels, are not allowed for sit down but only for takeaways.
Mmuso o re o tla thekga makala a o amilwego ke melao ye ka masheleng se go latela thibelo ya go rekiša bjalwa dibeke tše pedi tše di latelago.
From the side of the UIF, we believe we would be able to afford to support laid-off workers in sectors which have been closed by government.
Dinamelwa tša bohle di ka se dumelelwe ka nako ye e beilwego ya go thibela mosepelo.
Restrictions on international air travel remain. International air travel is restricted to the following ports: OR Tambo International Airport, Kinshasa International Airport, Cape Town International Airport, Lanseria International Airport, and Kruger Mpumalanga International Airport. Exceptions on curfew for long-haul flight departures and landings remain.
The transportation and sale of alcohol, both for on-site and off-site consumption, is prohibited. Non-compliance of these regulations and some others gazetted in the Disaster Management Act will result in a fine or imprisonment not exceeding 6 months or both.
Tona ya maphodisa o re kgoro ya gabo e itukišeditše go netefatša gore batho ba latela molao.